Analysis suggested that mnangagwa's systematic removal and reshuffling of senior military and security officials is a calculated coup-proofing strategy. Salamida macho kubda yuko pango na chizi mnangagwa's coup-proofing strategy under fire. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnamobu na mchinzi by sidelining those who could potentially challenge his authority, particularly Chiwenga's bakers. Mnangagwa aims to protect himself against any future attempts to unseat him. However, this strategy appears to have backfired inadvertently, creating a powerful and unified opposition from within the military establishment. The retired generals, led by Mujena, have not merely voiced their disapproval, they have taken concrete action. They formally challenged Mnangagwa's term extension by writing to the Speaker of Parliament, condemning the proposed constitutional changes. Their argument centers on the belief that such significant amendments, particularly those affecting presidential term limits, should not be enacted solely by legislators but must be subjected to a national referendum, allowing the direct voice of the people to be heard. Several other generals, predominantly Chiwenga's allies, like retired Lieutenant General Asinim Sanyato and retired Lieutenant General Jobit Ergejo, were pegged after 2017. Sanyato, for instance, was booted out in March 2025 amid its fear of a looming coup. These individuals, once key players in the 2017 coup, have ousted Robert Mugabe, are now perceived as serious threats by Mnangagwa's camp, particularly in the context of fierce succession battle with his deputy Chiwenga. Do mashwaruda pankwa ine arukun kwa kunzi kufaya wakuitwa ma generals most likely wakaone kwa kunzi waka yaupa mtungamiri wenyika to come up muna 2017 ndo varuga vachifaya pangwa ino chinkonzi ndo ama threats to its constitutional amendments. Vida comment section medu zafungura enyi motu kudipa msuru pichitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like chetonda bio icon.